What do we have now, ladies and gentlemen? A brand new day, solid market breadth, rub of green on the Nifty, and a good start for mid and small cap stock. Another 1% higher for mid and small cap stocks. Now let's start rotating it with railway stocks. That's where all the price action is. RVNL, IRCTC. I mean, there is just hullabaloo happening in that entire space. IRFC 7% higher. IRCTC, it's a laggard today. RVNL, the whole Titagar 839. So this entire I won't use the word euphoria or bubble, but all I'm saying is this entire FOMO or this mad rush of liquidity continues in some of the railway stock. That becomes the first port of call. Geo Financial, circle limit is out. Where is that one? And then Raymond's, where there is a, it's not upgrade, but two brokerages now have a buy on Raymond's after the price hike. One Motilal Oswal, second I think is Jeffries, and the stock reaction immediately on your screen, up by about 7.5%. Anisha?
Well, yes, a very strong start for Raymond and a good start for the market as a whole. 1,500 stocks advancing. Of course, in terms of sectors, it's PSU banking names which are leading. So smaller ones at that, a UCO Bank, a Central Bank, Punjab Sind Bank, these are the stocks. And then real estate pack is also building onto gains. Look at Lodha, that's opening up with a gain of almost 2 to 3%. From the broader markets, watch out for Nazara Tech. That stock is higher by 4% after that solid rally that we saw yesterday. There's a fresh intimation from the company that there's another board meeting on 7th of September wherein they are going to do preferential issue of shares. So on account of that, that stock is opening high by 4%. Suzlon continues the up move. IEX, on account of that operational data which was out, is also in focus. And then we also have names like Yes Bank, Renuka Sugars continuing the momentum. On the losing side, it's Finelix Pipes, which is down. 5-star is seeing some profit booking. Aptus and Dr. Reddy's, wherein Dr. Reddy's has clarified to the exchanges that they do not want to comment on market speculation. But for now, that stock has opened with a cut of almost 1.5%. Let's take a look at what Cipla and Torrent Pharma are up to as well, because these stocks continue to be in focus as well. Cipla continues the momentum on the upside, almost 1,300 lined up for that one, and Torrent Pharma too doing well for itself. From the broader market leaders, let's just pick MAS Financial, because that stock was showing an uptick of almost 8-9% the last time I checked. No news flow that I can spot on that one. But GMR Power is the other one which is opening with a 10% gain. And then SpiceJet, on account of that preferential issue and money coming in, is also fairly excited about.
Oh yes, indeed. And looking at the screen for now, it's a flattish move, but at least it's heartening to note that we're above the 19,500 mark. Kunal, broader markets yet again outperforming. The breadth is skewed in favor of the gaining side. What would be your first trade?
Yeah, so looks to be an attractive market yet again, and the action and the theme would be more towards mid caps and small caps. I think that's the tone for the market so far. AB Capital is something which looks attractive. So the stock has bounced off from that 180 mark. I think yesterday it managed to come back towards 188 or 189 levels. So looks attractive and would probably expect a retest of the 200 levels for AB Capital over the very near term.
It's above the 40,000 mark for the mid-cap index. Naresh, does this assume any significance? And take us through your first trade. Naresh, you're on mute.
The mid-caps have continued the momentum. We only need to look out for a day where we actually see a pause. So the stock for the day is I continue to like NHPC, adding onto the position, a defensive bet here which could do well.